This guy is basically the Elon Musk of YouTube Shorts. 50+ team members, animators, designers, editors. He spends $3,000 per video, and he's sitting on over 53 billion views. Respect. So in this tutorial, I'm going to recreate one of Zach D's viral videos, and trust me, the results will blow your mind. Step 1, the idea and script. All right, first thing you need, an idea. You want something that hooks people instantly. So instead of trying to come up with a million ideas yourself, just steal my process. Down in the description, I've dropped a full document with every single prompt and tool I used. Just open it up. Now copy the first prompt. Go to ChatGPT, paste it, hit enter. This prompt tells ChatGPT to come up with 10 short video ideas based on real stories, real events, real emotions. Pick one that hits you, that's your short. Now head back to the doc and grab the second prompt. This one writes the full video script, and at the same time, it gives you visual prompts for every scene. So you'll literally get your story in your shot list at once, but hold up. Here's the real secret to going viral. Don't create from scratch. Reverse engineer what already works. Here's what I do. I pick a Zach D video that's already viral, hit share, copy the link, and drop it into a free transcript extractor. Click Get Transcript, and boom, you've got the whole story in text. Now don't just copy it, that's lazy. Paste it into ChatGPT, but before hitting enter, add my rewrite prompt, also in the document. That prompt tells ChatGPT to transform the transcript into an original version, same pacing, same flow, but completely different writing. When that's done, use the second part of this prompt. It'll generate the visual descriptions for each scene. You'll get cinematic, scene-by-scene details, lighting, angles, mood, everything. Step 2, creating images with Nano Banana. All right, now it's time to turn your script into visuals. We're using Nano Banana. Copy your first scene prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Nano Banana, and hit enter. In a few seconds, boom, your first scene is alive. Now, Nano Banana has one annoying flaw, the aspect ratio. Easy fix. Just upload an image in the ratio you want, like 9:16 for shorts, and tell Nano Banana to use it as reference. It'll rebuild your image in the same shape. If you're on Windows, you can also use the free editor to clean things up. Remove the Nano Banana logo, crop, resize, whatever you need in seconds. Then just repeat for each scene. Scene 2, Scene 3, Scene 4, until you've got the full set. Step 3, creating the voiceover with 11 Labs. Now you've got the visuals. It's time to give them a voice. Go to the 11 Labs website, paste your script right into the box, pick a voice you like, male, female, deep, calm, whatever fits your story, and hit generate. In a few seconds, you'll get studio quality audio that sounds like an actual human. And if you run out your free credits, no panic. There are plenty of other free text-to-speech sites that sound nearly as good. Step 4, animating your scenes with Grok. All right, time to bring your images to life. We're using Grok to turn them into full-blown cinematic clips. You can easily make 10 to 20 clips a day for free. Pretty generous. Click the Imagine tab and start by uploading your first scene image. It'll instantly start animating, even before you add a prompt. But trust me, adding a short scene description or camera movement makes it way more accurate to your story. Within seconds, you'll have a realistic video, complete with sound effects or background music. Then just go back, upload the next image, give it a quick scene description, hit enter, and boom, next shot ready. Do that for all your scenes, and before you know it, you've got a full story that moves like a movie. Step 5, putting it all together in CapCut. Now you've got everything you need. Time to glue it all together like Zach D's viral edits. Open CapCut and drop all your Grok videos onto the timeline. Add your voiceover right below them and line it up so every scene hits perfectly with the story. Add smooth transitions if you want extra flow. Maybe throw in captions for that scroll-stopping feel. And boom, your video's done.
Imagine waking up in total darkness. Your hands hit wood, your chest tightens, and you realize you've been buried alive. In the 19th century, this nightmare was real. Unearthed coffins showed scratch marks inside, proof that some people woke up too.